And I've been waiting for this gift for the longest time.
Hi mga Zoo! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. So today, as you can see, we are here.
There's nothing there.
There's nothing in here.
As you can see.
As you can see, we are here preparing for the Fiesta. Kasi bukas na yun mga Zoobs. Kayo mga taga Adelaide po dito, mga Pilipino, pwede po kayong pumunta ha. Ulit-ulit ko po yan para hindi nyo po makalimutan. So ngayon, I'm preparing the mango float. Ako yung nagsislice ng mango. Siyempre si Chef Sammy yung gumagawa nung pinaka-major stuff. Tinutulungan lang namin siya. So ayan guys. Samahan nyo kami ng buong araw dahil buong araw kami magpe-prepare para sa inyong lahat. So, i-update namin kayo kung ano yung mga natapos, kung ano yung mga ititinda talaga namin sa Fiesta tomorrow. So, hindi ka na guys. Let's do this!
Guys, we're just here at Office Works. We need to print our menu. We only have 10 minutes to go before they close. Alright, we made it in time. Menu is here. Chef Sammy is... What do you call this process?
This is piping.
Piping.
The pandan cupcake.
Alright, so we've got the pandan cupcakes going on here. We've got some ube here. Watch the master at work. Alright, here we are. We are almost ready. So this is all got to fit in our cars somehow. I think tomorrow we're going to be taking 4 cars. And we have this big refrigerator we'll be using. And a screaming baby in the background. So hopefully tomorrow brings us some luck. And hope we sell out. Alrighty guys. My sister-in-law is now here in Australia and I've been waiting for this gift for the longest time. Although Diana only bought this gift, I think it was like a week and a half ago. But I've actually wanted this for about a year because I wanted it on my last birthday. But yeah, we weren't able to push through. They didn't have the size and they didn't have any stock. So I've got a gift here from Louis Vuitton and I was able to sneak an extra one in from Louis Vuitton. So yeah, we're gonna open. Let's start with the small one first because this one's actually really cool. It's a limited edition. I only just saw it, I think 2 weeks ago. So I'm actually really excited for this gift as well because summer is coming up. So let's check it out. Ooh, comes in a nice blue box this time. Different from the, usually they come in a brown box. So this one's come in a blue leather. So the sales attendant in Singapore said this is a special edition or limited edition. Oh, I'm excited. Woo! Yes, it's as good as I imagined. Because sometimes when you buy things and you only see pictures, you're like, it happened with my ring actually. I bought a Louis Vuitton ring, probably my most recent purchase. I was slightly disappointed in the color. So I had to make sure with my sister-in-law, I was like, please tell me it's silver, because if it's gray, I won't be that happy. So, wow, yep, really, really nice. This was definitely worth it. What do you think, babe? Definitely worth it. I can borrow that. You can. You know, actually, the first gift that Diana ever bought me, well, it was actually Prada glasses, wasn't it? Mm. And then the second glasses was my Louis Vuitton glasses that you will probably see in all my pictures. Except for the last year. Ooh, you okay, baby? She's eating over there, sorry. But yeah, my Louis Vuitton glasses have been with me everywhere around the world. They're black, so you'll see them in my other pictures. They're really, really cool. But I love this rectangular shape, and it's just got a very simple LV on the side. So this is beautiful, and it fits really good, which I'm happy. Now for the big one. I'm hoping the sounds are pretty good here. So there was two choices for me. Actually, the other one was my first choice. This was my original first choice. Then it became my second choice because I saw something else. But then that one wasn't available in Singapore or in Australia. So I went back to my original first choice. Hope that made sense, parang magulo yan, but I understood it. So let's see it. So excited. I hope it fits. But the good thing is this actually came from Australia. So if there is a problem with sizing, I can send it back. Woo! Are you ready? Oh my God, it's so nice. Boom! How good is this? So this is Nike have the Panda version of the Air Force One. This is the Louis Vuitton version. Oh, it looks incredible. Whew. This is really nice. It's actually a little bit different to what I thought. I thought this was actually black leather, but this is actually kind of like a dark denim. And then this is all leather here. Oh, you just look at like even the bottom. Like, I know no one sees the bottom, but you know, it's still good. And so hopefully you can see that on the camera. Might have to do some slow-mos before I wear this. Wow. Oh, let's hope it fits. I'm not going to step on mud, don't worry. I will not wear this when it rains. Okay. Woo! Please fit. Sakto. Yeah. I could have gone. Oh, I could go half a size down though. I'll check it in the mirror. Actually, I reckon I can go half a size down, but let me check. I got more than a thumb. Let's see. We'll see what it looks like in the mirror. But it's definitely comfortable. But I'll check it out with my outfit and see if it looks a little bit too long. I may switch sides. It takes, you know, like a few days. They can pick it up. But yeah, it's an incredible shoe. Fantastic. It's really comfortable. So happy birthday to me.
Damn, alam nyo na guys, isusoli yung Louis Vuitton na regalo ko kasi hindi kasha. So, o-order siya ng lower size. Buti na lang pwede yun. Tapos, ipipick upin dito sa amin yung nandito. Tapos magre-reorder. So, kung kayo ay nagkamali din sa pag-order, pwede nyo yun gawin. Tapos guys, medyo napagod kami today kasi last day of preparation namin para bukas, and we need to sleep early tonight. Actually, tulog na yung dalawang bata. Si Aliyah pinaligo ko na para tomorrow dire-diretso na kami. So ako din, naligo na ako. Tinatapos ko lang yung bigo work and then matutulog na. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood ngayong vlog na ito, and good night na. Bye guys.